Our energy is like lightning.
Mrs. Petra, what about energy? Our body is energy?
Because it has everything?
But what happens to that energy at the moment of death? When the physical body ceases to exist, what happens to our energy?
You know, when the energy leaves your body, it no longer lives.
And where does that energy go, Mrs. Petra?
It stays here. Here we walk. Because they say no. But I say this because I know, because we have walked a long way. That one goes with God. No. Here we walk.